Hi, welcome to my channel. Today we will make a cursor. Let's get into it. B5 boys. 1. Go to your browser. 2. Type mouse pointer. 3. Click the top link. It will take you to rwdesign.com/cursor library. 4. Go to the home page. 5. Click the real world cursor editor 2013.1. 6. Click download. It's 7.6 megabytes. Seven. Now follow the steps I take. Eight. Go crazy on your cursor editor.